Number 6 is asking us which statements are true. Okay. So this is number 6, I believe. So it says, I'll just read this out loud here. So it says more massive gas molecules in the sample have higher RMS speed than less massive ones. More massive gas molecules in the sample have lower RMS speed than less massive ones, and RMS speed depends only on temperature, and so all types of particles in the sample have the same RMS speed. So which statements are true? So in this case here, when we're talking about gas molecules, and all of these gas molecules, and we're talking about bigger gas molecules versus smaller gas molecules. So this concept of atomic radius, or how you want to think about it. So I'm talking about gas molecules, and based on their size and speed, compared to size versus speed here. So when we're talking about gas molecules here, we have to talk about two different things here: it's size versus our speed, right? So we know that with our size, so specifically for the size here, the smaller the size, the faster it's going to travel. The faster it will travel. So, which means the bigger sizes here are going to have slower speeds, right? So therefore, larger sizes have slower speeds. So therefore, statement 1 here says more massive gas molecules in the sample have higher RMS speed. So this here is false, right? Because more massive gas molecules will have lower RMS speed, which is what statement 2 says. So statement 2 here is true. And statement 3 here says RMS speed depends only on temperature, but we know that's false, right? Because speed does indeed depend on temperature according to particle theory. As we heat things up, as temperature rises, the speed will also increase. The velocity of our molecules will also increase. However, atomic radius, or the size, will also affect the speed as well. So therefore, only statement 2 is true. So the solution here is correct because they chose statement 2.